Is Love Beauty and Planet Conditioner the real deal, or just another product promising the world and delivering the euro well? Not much. Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk ingredients. We're looking for plant-based goodies and avoiding harsh chemicals. Check the back label. Are there sulfates, parabens, or silicones? Love Beauty and Planet aims to be eco-friendly, so we expect a cleaner ingredient list. Specifically, we are interested in ingredients like coconut oil, argan oil, or murumuru butter, as these ingredients indicate if the product will be moisturizing. Now, onto real-world performance. I have combed through countless customer reviews to bring you the unfiltered truth. Some rave about its moisturizing abilities and delightful scents, but others complain about residue or lack of effectiveness for certain hair types. Some people also have concerns about hair fall. Here's how to get the most out of this conditioner. Apply generously to wet hair, focusing on the ends. Let it sit for 23 minutes to allow those nourishing ingredients to work their magic. Rinse thoroughly, making sure no product remains. So, is Love Beauty and Planet Conditioner legit or a scam? Based on our ingredient analysis and customer feedback, it seems to be a decent product, especially if you are looking for an affordable and environmentally conscious option. However, results vary depending on hair type. Ultimately, it is a legit product worth trying, but always remember to patch test a small area before using it all over your hair, especially if you have sensitive scalp. Now, have you tried Love Beauty and Planet Conditioner? Let me know your experience in the comments below.